Yes, welcome to Latinos Legacy Network podcast. Today we are here with Evelyn Rentería de International Insurance Associates. So Evelyn, encantada de tenerte aquí, and honestly, it's such a pleasure to be able to have a full-on conversation with you. Can you tell us about International and what you do?
Yes, well, I'm super happy to be here with both of you. Meeting you guys a few months ago, I'm super proud that, I'm here with you guys. And well, everybody, hello, my name is Evelyn Renteria. I've been in the insurance industry for 14 years now.
Wow.
So yeah, it's been a long time, and I'm the owner of International Insurance Associates, and been the owner for the past 6 years. So
Wow.
basically, what drove my passion to go ahead and open the agency, as working in the insurance industry since high school, one of my goals was to always open my own insurance agency.
That's awesome.
And I worked towards that, and I loved, helping the community out, and I felt I had a great passion to go ahead and explain the coverages, making sure, every situation is different. And I love talking to the customers and building relationships that way.
Yeah, you're really good at estando ahí con la comunidad, porque sí es cierto, has ayudado en varias cosas y independientemente de con nosotros, yo miro que estás muy aquí ayudando, so I really applaud you for that.
Yeah, I kind of want to get more into what got you involved into the insurance industry, because it's such a big an industry. Yeah.
Yes, well, actually, I got into the game because of my parents. My dad, he was a marketing agent for a couple of big Latino insurance agencies that are still in business now.
Yeah.
Back in that time in 2010. So he put me to work. Como
todos los Latinos.
16 part-time right after high school. Summertime, I was working full-time, and basically working alongside business owners and working in insurance agencies. I went to the corporate world doing sales, and I feel like I was pretty good at sales, taking.
What does that mean for the Latino community or the community here in Charlotte?
Well, definitely, when I decided to open my business back in 2020, I could have chosen any other words, but international was one of my main, I just didn't want to be local. I wanted to go ahead and serve everybody from different countries, different communities, and, make them heard and and get them protected also. So, that was the main goal of putting it as international.
I love that. And when it comes to obviously international, that means everybody. You're being, like Jen said, being part of the community is super important. This is a question I want to ask you off topic, is what made you say yes to being part of Latinos Legacy Network and being part of this upcoming event that we have to celebrate our 2 years? Why did you say yes to this one?
I love what you guys are doing. I love the fact that, I go to your events, and there's different entrepreneurs there, and we get to all learn from each other.
Yeah.
So I love that fact that there is that offerings that you guys do, and it's basically free, and people might not know that. And, we get to get all this knowledge coming to your events. I mean, the AI event, the recent event you guys just had.
Yeah.
And the biggest misconception in the insurance industry, I mean, I feel like a lot of people think that the cheaper is the better, and they just will go ahead and buy any policy and without knowing what it covers, your deductible when it comes to car insurance, the coverages when it comes to your home, which is something that you have worked for so hard. You want to make sure that it's well protected.
Absolutely.
And definitely our goal at our office is to make sure that you leave our office knowing what coverages you have, how much you're going to be paying a month. Hopefully, we set expectations for the whole year, so you already know what to expect. But definitely, we want to make you aware of the exclusions or underwriting. Definitely, we want to go ahead and do all of that for
And
us.
something you said, sorry, off camera real quick, was that they don't need to be a client of yours for them to be able to reach out to you, right? So,
Sí, sí,
Yeah.
tengo
Yeah.
una opinión.
Una pregunta.
Sí, yo no soy tu cliente, pero
No, definitivamente siempre puedes llamar a nuestra oficina, siempre pueden llamar. Estamos abiertos de 9 de la mañana a 5:30 de la tarde para cualquier pregunta o duda que tengan sobre seguros, una cotización nada más, so you can just go ahead and compare rates. That's what we're there for. You
Yeah.
know, we give a free estimate. You have any questions about a claim you might have had, and that's how we build the relationships, and that's how also our agency has grown by word of mouth.
Yeah.
We just celebrated a big milestone at our agency where we hit 300 reviews on Google.
Oh,
And
let's go.
Yes, our
Yeah.
goal is to end hopefully with another 300 at the end of this year.
100,000.
Yeah.
No, but I hope so. That's why we got this. So
Oh,
definitely
yes.
It's all the best of
best in the area, but definitely
That's awesome.
we want to keep growing and expanding and.
That says a lot about obviously what you guys are doing, in this industry. It's a tough industry to be in, first of all, but I think that speaks volume of your work ethic and how you actually serve the community and be able to help them. So I want to really quickly wrap it up.
Yeah.
How can people reach out to you if they have questions? How can they connect with you?
They can always stop by our office. We have 2 locations on Westinghouse.
Ooh.
And it's in the same building, but we had to separate. But definitely we have 2 locations there where you can walk in during business hours. They can give us a call at our 704 number, 529-9660. And then also reach us out through social media. We're growing our social media, and you can always reach us out by there.
And what's your handle on social media? We'll put it on there, but do you have your handle? Your ad name?
International INS ASSOC.
There we go. We'll put it.
Follow us.
Yes, we'll put it on the description so you can follow Evelyn and International Insurance Association. If you guys have any other questions, please reach out to her, and you will also see her at the event May 21st. More details will come about our 2-year anniversary. Feel free to also go to our website, LatinosLegacyNetwork.com, and we hope to see you guys soon. Thank you, Evelyn. Thank you for being
Visit
here.
her Instagram and her social media and say congratulations on the best award.
Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you, guys. I
No,
appreciate you.
thank you for having
Give me
us.
another opportunity.
Gracias.